Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make oatmeal cookies in an air fryer. First, ensure all your ingredients are ready and preheat your air fryer to the recommended temperature. Next, combine your dry ingredients like flour and oats in one bowl. In a separate bowl, mix your wet ingredients, such as butter and sugar. Gently combine the wet and dry mixtures until just blended. Finally, drop rounded spoonfuls of dough onto parchment paper. Now it's time to cook. Carefully place the parchment paper with your cookie dough into the air fryer basket. Cook the cookies at 325 degrees Fahrenheit for about 5 to 7 minutes. Keep an eye on them. You're looking for golden brown edges and a slightly soft center. Once baked, remove them from the air fryer and let them cool completely on a wire rack to firm up. For the best results, remember a few key tips. Always avoid overcrowding the air fryer basket. Bake in batches if necessary. Using parchment paper not only makes cleanup a breeze, but also helps ensure even baking. Keep in mind that cooking times can vary slightly between different air fryer models, so adjust as needed. If you prefer a chewier cookie, try removing them just before the edges turn deeply golden. Want to customize your cookies? Feel free to add delicious mix-ins like chocolate chips, raisins, or chopped nuts to the dough. Once your cookies are completely cool, store them in an airtight container at room temperature to keep them fresh for several days. Any leftover dough can be refrigerated for up to 3 days, ready for your next batch. Enjoy your wonderful homemade air fryer oatmeal cookies.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.